In today's show, the Bitcoin price can hit $100,000. Trading legend Peter Brandt explains how in his most recent video, which I'll be breaking down in today's episode, as well as 2 caveats you need to be aware of. Also, in today's episode, the Bitcoin price can see another major rally here soon if history repeats itself. We'll be taking a look at what popular crypto analyst Cantoring Clark had to share on crypto Twitter, as well as his colleague Josh Rager. We'll be breaking all this down, as well as taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, doing a Bitcoin price action, all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And quick reminder, this December 11th, Wednesday, Larry Benedict, hedge fund marketing wizard, is hosting a live event. He's going to be revealing his secret he has used to generate literally $274 million in profit. To register and lock in your free seat for this live event, click the link right below this video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's dive right into today's top story. Popular crypto analyst Peter Brandt's analysis shows that the Bitcoin price can surge to a whopping $100,000 in its next parabolic run, but there's a couple of ifs you need to be aware of. In his recent video entitled 100,000 Ahead, but When and How, veteran chartist Peter Brandt explains how the price of Bitcoin could eventually end up in the 6-digit territory. Brandt offers 2 interpretations that are based on his bullish view of the Bitcoin price. Here's what he's quoted saying: "I believe in the long-term narrative of Bitcoin and that Bitcoin is indeed going to $100,000, if not substantially more." Taking a look at this big picture chart published by Peter Brandt, it shows immediately bullish for the Bitcoin price. A much coveted moonshot. Brandt states that he's not looking for new signals every day, every week, or every month. Moreover, the trader emphasizes that his analysis is based on possibilities, not certainties. And if we check out his tweet here on crypto Twitter, here's what he wrote: "Crypto maniacs, go to this link immediately. My latest Factor Bitcoin live video explaining the path I think Bitcoin can take to $100,000. And I'll be sure to include this resource in the show notes below this video in the description, so you can check out his video prediction for yourself." And checking out some of the replies to Peter's tweet, Jason Parse wrote, "What do you think about Link?" Peter Brandt responded, "I see no reason to speculate in the 8 hit coins. There is Bitcoin, then there are pretenders." Pretty interesting. And then Link Salem responded, "It's a good thing Chainlink isn't trying to be Bitcoin. Imagine thinking the only thing crypto is useful for is value transfer. That's like thinking all you can do on the internet is email." Touche. That's a very interesting point. I'm actually bullish on Chainlink. I consider Chainlink the missing link of the blockchain, but obviously Peter Brandt may be a Bitcoin maximalist, so I understand both sides. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out some more replies, Dave the Wave wrote, "Interesting portrayal of both a bear and bull scenario, which depends on whether the linear multi-year channel is broken or not. Which one is going to happen?" Pete asked, "What if neither one? There's a good chance that the price will track exactly between Peter's alternatives." And he also added, "When the multi-year line is broken at some point, but not necessarily bearishly, question arises whether straight lines like this should be used on long-term log charts. They tend always to get broken." And taking a look at this graph he had to share, it shows Peter's linear multi-year line channel, as you can see right here. Alex responded to Peter saying, "Bitcoin is not going to 100,000 anytime soon, not unless it gets its crap together. It needs a solid organic catalyst with real fundamentals to drive it to new highs. For now, it's just another shitcoin gamble coin. Bitcoin has to be needed by people, and right now it's not needed." I disagree with Alex. What are your thoughts? And let's check out one more response. Crypto Tim replied, "Agreed. The Bitcoin market is purely speculation right now, and I can't see fundamentals pushing it to $100,000 soon. In fact, so many people have been burned by 2017 and even the recent 2019 bull run that they may never invest again. Where's the new money going to come from? How about institutional money? Crypto is still in its infancy stages, and what if Bitcoin takes a portion of the gold market share? What if it takes 5%? Then you can clearly understand that Bitcoin has a lot of room for growth to not only hit 100,000, but easily surpass that, like Tim Draper's prediction of him coming out saying he believes that the Bitcoin price will reach $250,000 by 2022. If not, then by the first quarter of 2023. And that's not based upon scarcity, but just for the mere fact of taking a small piece of the currency market share. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. As of now, Bitcoin is trapped in a descending parallel channel on its weekly chart. According to Brandt, an upside break from this channel could confirm that the next bull phase is upon us. He's quoted saying, "That's probably the moonshot that Bitcoin bulls, including me, would look for. The point of capitulation, if Bitcoin does violate the lower boundary of a aforementioned channel, things could go south." Brandt predicts that the Bitcoin price could bottom at $5,324 around July of 2020. So we also need to keep in mind the big picture could also be bearish here in the near term. However, he views that the $3,200 level bottom of December of 2018 as a breaking point where he would personally capitulate. He's quoted saying, "It's at a point that I would capitulate. Should we violate this level decisively, I would come to the conclusion that Bitcoin's story is over and done with." That said, he doesn't believe that the Bitcoin price could eventually go to zero because there would be some buyer interest even at any price level, but it could be a sign of a fundamental change in the Bitcoin story. What are your thoughts regarding and surrounding Peter Brandt's $100,000 Bitcoin price prediction? Do you think this will become a reality, possibly in 2020, 2021? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the top cryptocurrencies, we can see Bitcoin back in the red, down 0.75% for the day, trading just below $7,500. Ethereum down 0.04%, trading at $1.50 even. XRP is down 0.04%, trading at 22.7 cents. Link is down 2.25%, trading at $2.05. Miss Litecoin is down 1.5%, trading at $45. BNB coin down 0.8%, trading at $15.67. And as you can see, most of the crypto market definitely has a bearish sentiment surrounding it at this current moment. And in other crypto news, the Bitcoin price could see another major rally if history repeats itself. Fractal analyst shows that the Bitcoin price can soon record another double-digit pump. Wouldn't that be spectacular? In perfect timing, right? If history is any guide, Bitcoin could be gearing up for another major price rally, which would be similar to the one that took place at the beginning of April. That's back when the Bitcoin price was trading at like $3,200, $3,500, and we soared all the way up to roughly the $13,000 price point. Could we be in another accumulation phase? Well, let's check out what popular crypto analyst Cantor & Clark has to share on crypto Twitter. He wrote, "There is an uncanny resemblance between these two charts. It would make sense that after the first major move up, that the first major correction and following accumulation period would have a fractal resemblance to the larger original. The purpose is still the same." And checking out some of the replies to that tweet, Cantoring responded, "FYI, this is a bit of hopium. The sentiment got to the point of calls for $1,000 again. Prices hovering above the HTF 2017 current. This chop seems purposeful." And then checking out some of those replies, Cantor & Clark's colleague, crypto analyst Josh Rager responded, "Current Bitcoin chart versus the 2018 November-December bottom accumulation phase. And as you can see, there are some striking similarities. Will we rise once again? Is this deja vu?" Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out some of the replies to Josh Rager's tweet, Takeshi here wrote, "Sure, there is resemblance, but the bandwidth was different then, and the bandwidth is different now. Looking at the entire year chart and the way the market is holding 7,000 above levels in the past 3 weeks, it looks like the price is moving towards the $8,000 levels." And then let's check out some more replies. Crypto Rise wrote, "The time frame is different and most traders aren't committed on either side yet. And also, market isn't as bearish as it was back then. My opinion is we retest 7,800 to 8,000 and return to these levels to rev up. An alternate scenario is to pump to 9,600 before we dump lower." Taking a look at this poll tweet from Jacob Canfield, he wrote, "Bitcoin opened and closed within 0.5% yesterday. There are currently two groups of people I see currently. Number one, this feels like November before the massive breakdown, or number two, this feels like December at the bottom. Which one are you?" I'm going to choose number two. Bottom is in for a bounce. Let's see. 53% of the people out of 1,913 votes voted the same. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments right down below. The total cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at $203 billion with 51 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current BTC dominance is 66.8%. And checking out the top gainers in the past 24 hours, Energy's leading the pack, up 14%, trading at $2.76. Synthetics Network up 10%, trading at $1.32. Rift Token up 10%, trading at 6.9 cents. Verge is up almost 8%, trading at 0.004. Bitcoin up 7.7%, trading at 0.0003. And Theta is up 7.55%, trading at 8.5 cents. And taking a look at the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, Mindall is leading the pack, down 7%, trading at $2.57. Fetch is down 7%, trading at 6.5 cents. Enigma down 6.9%, trading at just below 50 cents. EDU Care down 6%, trading at just below 12 cents. Ravencoin down 5%, trading at 3 cents. And Hedge Trade down 4%, trading at $1.12. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are back in control, leading the way with about 12 million in superiority in the last 24 hours, with shorts leading 50.22% versus 49.78% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin? Let me know in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 32 in fear. Yesterday was a 28 in fear, and last week was a 28 with fear, and last month was a 39 with fear. And if you're not familiar with this Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a buying opportunity, and when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. If you haven't done so already, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. Quick reminder before I go, this Wednesday, December 11th, hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict is hosting a live event. He's going to be revealing the secret he has used to generate $274 million in pure profit. To register and lock in your seat for this live event, click that link right below the video in the description. It's going to take you here. Simply enter your best email and click the yellow button that says register for free access. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.